Well, now at 6, it is a problem that typically occurs south of our region. We are talking about red tide. Down here you can see it along Tampa Bay and southwest Florida's coast, but it's beginning to crump up in areas along the Panhandle, including here near Bay and Walton County. You can see it developing, and ABC 27's Dave Vogan sits down with a Florida State University scientist who talks about the impact red tide has on marine life on us.
Yeah, we're standing right here in Steinhatchee, and just down the river is where you'll find the Gulf of Mexico. That's where a big threat is looming within those waters. Johnny Evans and Craig Wolford are anglers at heart.
Trout and reds, a lot of shark and catfish.
They wake up early almost every day, traveling an hour and 15 minutes from their home in Lake City to Steinhatchee.
We'll fish from probably September till late November.
And who couldn't resist being on a boat, surrounded by peace and solitude?
Wonderful just to be in God's great outdoors.
Yeah. You get wore out by the end of the day if you get up real early in the morning and you fish till, like 6 or 7 o'clock. You're pretty tired when the day's over with, but it's a good kind of feeling.
But in the Gulf, a fish killer is traveling the ocean waters. We're talking about red tides or harmful algal blooms.
The red tides and the harmful algal blooms, those cells create toxins.
Sven Kranz is an associate professor at Florida State University. He studies phytoplankton, organisms that float across the ocean surface. It's a vital food source for fish and other creatures in the ocean. Some phytoplanktons, however, produce biotoxins that kill marine life.
These toxins go into essentially the food web or into the atmosphere and create problems through the food chain, as well as respiratory issues, for example, for humans if the bloom is close to the shore.
Harmful algal blooms has been reported for some time in Florida, even as early as the 1500s, according to Kranz. What is new about harmful algal blooms is its presence in the Panhandle, including in Bay and Walton counties. One reason might have to do with storms.
There have been, in the last years, essentially connections with storms coming essentially from the south, going north, changing the prevailing currents.
Something that will take time and funding for scientists to study and understand.
We have to understand how Carenia is now coming up there and potentially also see if in the future they might be maintained or sustained there.
In Steinhatchee, Dave Vogan, ABC 27.
Heavy rain from storms on land also feeding red tides as water carries fertilizer from farms and lawns into the Gulf of Mexico. As of now, there are no harmful algal blooms along the Big Bend coast. That's according to the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration.